Hello, and welcome to Relationship Take 5, your destination for insightful relationship advice and tips. Today, we're delving into a powerful concept that can breathe new life into a strained relationship, setting specific goals to rebuild trust and strengthen the relationship. Navigating the aftermath of a serious breach of trust, such as infidelity, can be incredibly challenging. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process that requires commitment and effort from both partners. One of the most effective strategies in rebuilding trust is setting and committing to mutually agreeable goals and objectives for the relationship. Here are 8 goals, along with associated activities and the expected outcomes that can help guide your journey towards rebuilding trust. To have more open communication. Activity: schedule regular open communication sessions where both partners can express their feelings without judgment. Example: set aside 30 minutes every week to discuss your emotions, concerns, and progress in rebuilding trust. Outcome: both partners should feel more comfortable expressing their emotions and concerns during the communication sessions. Improved understanding of each other's perspectives and a reduction in defensive behaviors are positive signs of progress. To be completely transparent with each other. Activity: share your daily activities, including plans, whereabouts, and interactions, to create a transparent environment. Example: use a shared calendar app to update each other on your schedules, appointments, and social plans. Outcome: trust is being rebuilt if both partners consistently share details about their daily activities without hesitation. An increase in openness and a decrease in suspicion indicate positive strides. To have uninhibited emotional and physical intimacy. Activity: focus on rebuilding emotional and physical intimacy through shared activities and quality time together. Example: plan a weekly date night where you engage in activities you both enjoy, fostering a stronger emotional connection. Outcome: a positive outcome would be an increase in emotional connection and physical intimacy. If both partners feel more engaged, affectionate, and committed to spending quality time together, it suggests progress. To have reasonable personal boundaries. Activity: establish clear boundaries to avoid situations that may lead to mistrust and temptation. Example: discuss and agree on appropriate boundaries regarding interactions with individuals of the opposite sex in both online and offline settings. Outcome: successfully adhering to agreed-upon boundaries demonstrates progress. If both partners can respect and follow the established limits, it indicates a growing sense of trust and commitment to rebuilding the relationship. To increase mutual respect. Activity: actively work on understanding and respecting each other's perspectives, needs, and boundaries. Example: practice active listening during your conversations, ensuring that each partner feels heard and valued. Outcome: improvement in communication and active listening should lead to a deeper understanding of each other's perspectives. If both partners express themselves respectfully and show genuine empathy, it signals progress in rebuilding mutual respect. To enhance self-trust. Activity: focus on personal growth and self-improvement to rebuild confidence and self-trust. Example: set individual goals for self-care, such as regular exercise, therapy, or pursuing personal hobbies, to strengthen your own sense of well-being. Outcome: personal growth and self-improvement should result in increased self-confidence and a healthier self-image. Achieving individual goals, such as maintaining a consistent self-care routine, reflects progress in rebuilding self-trust. To develop the capacity for forgiveness and letting go. Activity: work on forgiving each other and letting go of resentment to create space for healing. Example: practice forgiveness exercises, such as writing letters to express your feelings and then ceremoniously letting them go. Outcome: the ability to release resentment and move forward is a significant sign of progress. If both partners feel a reduction in emotional baggage and are actively working towards forgiveness, it indicates positive development. To be open to professional counseling. Activity: seek professional help through couples therapy to facilitate open discussions and develop effective strategies for rebuilding trust. Example: commit to attending regular counseling sessions with a licensed therapist who specializes in relationship issues. Improvement in communication and problem-solving skills as a couple is a key outcome. If both partners feel more equipped to address issues constructively and the frequency and intensity of conflicts decrease, it suggests progress in rebuilding trust with the help of professional counseling. Rebuilding trust takes time and dedication. It's essential for both partners to actively engage in these activities and demonstrate a genuine commitment to the process of healing. Professional guidance can provide additional support in navigating the complexities of rebuilding trust. If you find these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more relationship insights, and share it with someone who might benefit. Remember, consistency is the glue that holds trust together. Until next time, keep pursuing your relationship goals, stay connected, and keep nurturing that trust in your relationship.